6. I've been neglecting my kids lately, but I'll make it up to them somehow. A. Apologize. B. Make amends. C. Give more gifts. Answer is, make it up means letter B. Make amends. Number 7. Are you and your brother still on speaking terms? A. Able to speak. B. In contact. C. Getting along. Answer is, on speaking terms means letter C. Getting along. Number 8. We're getting on like a house on fire these days. A. Not getting on well. B. Getting on very well. C. Getting on fairly well. Answer is, getting on like a house on fire means letter B. Getting on very well. Number 9. The dispute between Tony and Joe came to a head when Tony knocked out 3 of Joe's teeth. A. Reached a climax. B. Reached a compromise. C. Came to an end. Came to a head means letter A. Reach a climax. And number 10. My sister and I have huge fights and then we kiss and make up. We've always done it. A. Pretend it didn't happen. B. Kiss each other's cheeks. C. Become friends again. Kiss and make up means letter C. Become friends again. This video ends here about expressions quiz interacting.